Right, section C of mock paper 1. Ravi walked from town A to town E. The diagram below shows the time he left town A and the time he reached all these different towns. Question A. How long did Ravi take to walk from town B to C? Look, it is easy. Asking from here B, right, to C. It means you concentrate on this. 847 935 over here. This two. This has begin to become the starting time. This is the ending time. Find the duration. Now, interesting thing is, note that 8 plus to 9 plus, the o'clock is 900 hours. Okay, so find from 8:47 to 9 a.m. what time is or how long it is. All you have to do, take 60 minus 47. Here is 60 minus 47 gives you 13 minutes. Now over here is easier. From 9 to 9:35 is 35 minutes. Right? What you need to do, add them together. Add this together, you will get 48 minutes. So he took 48 minutes to travel from town B to town C. Now question B, Ravi took 1 hour 15 minutes to walk from town D to E. It's referring to this, town D to E. Over here is over 1 hour plus he walked, and he started from 10:13 in the morning. So you draw a line. Starting time took 1 hour 15 minutes. All you have to do, go through an hour first. Okay, so it becomes 11:13, then another 15 minutes. Now this is easy. 13 plus 15, right? It's not more than 60, right? 13 plus 15 is only 28. It's within 11 plus in the morning, right? So the answer is 11:28 in the morning from town D to town E. Next, the figure below shows square. This is a square. Note, all right? It means this is 7 cm, and over here of course is 7 cm, right? But read further. The length of PE is 7 cm. The perimeter of the shaded part is 32 cm. Shaded part, okay? This whole thing, right? Look at the pen. This whole thing here is 32 cm, the outline. Okay, now first of all, the question says, before it goes, the question says find the area of the square, this whole area. Okay, if it means you find one side, you take this side times the other side. Now the most important thing to do is to find one side from B to C. Therefore there's a need for me to find EC, right? If I find EC, I'm able to find BC, the length, the total length, right? 7 cm plus something over here. Then I can find the area of the square. Now it's good to visualize this. The shaded part with 7 cm below has a perimeter of this, okay, 32 cm. Now, we have learned about this being a step and convert it to rectangle. Imagine this line over here, right? You shift out, okay? And this line at the bottom, you shift up also to this. Now this creates a new rectangle. This particular rectangle here, right, has the same perimeter as this, which is 32 cm. So if I have a rectangle like this, okay, with a perimeter of 32 cm, right, I work it out this way. There is the perimeter 32 cm, the original length or breadth, either one, which I do not know whether this is the length or this is breadth. I just substitute one, okay. The length or breadth, I just do it over here, right? But it looks more like a breadth. Now I generate an equation, the perimeter equation, which is a length, okay, one of these, okay, one of these plus breadth, one of this plus the other one. So it's got to be L plus 7 or 7 plus L times 2 will give me 32. So I extend it, L plus breadth times 2. Now to make this part 0 or nothing, okay, to make this part nothing, so what I do is I take 2 times 2 divided by 2 give me 1. It means L plus B times 1 is L plus B. So if I left hand side divide by 2, the right hand side 32, I divide by 2 too. Alright. Now after that, 2 divided by 2 is 1. L plus B times 1 gives you L plus B. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So now length plus breadth is 16. Okay, when I look at 16, I know that 7 is a smaller dimension. It must be the breadth, right? So 16 minus 7 gives me the length, okay, which is 9. I can work out this way. Length is plus 7, so minus 7 on the left hand side. So I take 16, right hand side also minus 7. Length, okay, plus 0 is 16 minus 7. So length plus 0 is length. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now this is a proper way of working out a slightly complex equation like this. Okay, of course, if you have your own way to do it, just go ahead. Given a perimeter of a rectangle, you find, and given one side, you find the other side. Alright, I believe you have a simpler way of doing it. Now the final part, side of rectangle ABC, or square, sorry, the square, which is ABCD. Let's go back here. Side of this, I have found that this is 9. Okay, this is 9 cm. It means, of course, this is 2 cm. We found that this is 2 cm. Alright, 7 plus 2, 9, 9. So 9 times 9 gives us the final answer, 81. Right? Some of us fail to read the question asking us to find the area. We left the answer as 9 cm, which is not right. So it should be 81 square centimeter. 9 times 9 cm. Right, let's take a look at here. This is a quite interesting one. Ben and Agnes, okay, had 2050. Okay, Ben and Agnes, and Ben again, and Karen, different. Ben, same person. Now this time with Karen, they had 1080 cards altogether. Right? Okay. Now what is good is over here is important. It says Ben had 3 times as many cards as Karen. Okay, Karen, Ben. Ben has 3 times, and they have both 1080. Draw out this model first. Ben has 3 times, 3U, Karen 1U. Both Ben and Karen had 1080 cards. Obviously, this is quite simple. It tells us that 4U together, 3U plus 1U is 1080. If 4U is 1080, find 1U and it is 270. So, find out how much Ben has first. Okay? Right. If Ben and Agnes is 2050, what I need to do is find out how much Ben has. So Ben has 3U, which is 3 times 270, 810. So if I put here Ben has 810, obviously the question asks us to find how much did Agnes have. So 810 plus Agnes gives us 2050. Is it easy? Yes. Take 2050 less 810, you will find out Agnes' number of cards. Right here. Now it's a very common model. 2050 takes away Ben's, you will get Agnes, which is 1240. In a shop, there are 4024 oranges. There are 4 times as many oranges as apple. This is important. The number of apples, right, and the number of oranges, the relationship, that is important. Okay, it is represented by here, orange, apples. 4 times, it means there's a U here. Same number, same amount, right? Unit. 4 units and 1 unit over here. Now this is given right here. Okay, and it's represented by these and that. Now interesting thing, oranges are given. Can you see? Oranges are given. Okay, so for you is 4024. Can you see that? For you is 4024 is given. Find 1U, you can find the number of oranges. Now draw the model on the space below. This is the model. Let's continue to find out here. What about this P? Now P are pairs. Now we compare the relationship between apples and pear. Okay, apples is 1U, pear is lesser than 1U. Okay, look at the line here. This is 1U. Pear has 4 to 5 fewer apples. It means you gotta take away this red spot. You should be able to find P. Right? So first of all, find U, then we can find P. Right? Questions? How many pears and apples are there in the shop altogether? So if we can find U, then we take U minus 425, we can find P. Then we add up these two, U and P. Okay, the U, 1U, and the amount for P. We should get the answer. So first of all, okay, 4U is this, find 1U. Alright, 1U is 4024 divided by 4, which is 1006. It means this part is 1006. Right? So I have 1006, I take away 425. Okay? I take away 425 is 581. Pears 581. Now apples, which is this, 1006, add pears, I should get a total of 1587 apples and pears in the shop all together. Remember to write your own final statement here. Now, Mr. Ong bought a camera and 3 identical wallets. Imagine one camera holding here one camera, wallet here, but there are 3 of them. Okay, 3 of them. Now it says the camera costs $984 more than the total cost of 3 wallets. That is why we put the total cost of 3 wallets here. Just put it here. And even though you add these 3 together, the camera is $984 more. Okay, so the cost of camera, you can see easily, is 3U plus 984. Okay, of course this part is a bit different. It gives you the total of the 2 items, right, which is 1500 minus the change. He pays the cashier so much, the cashier returned 246. If we minus these 2 figures, 1500 minus 246, this is the total, okay, cost of the camera and the wallet. It means this total cost is 6U plus 984. All this here and here add together is 1254. Now you generate the equation. When you generate the equation, watch out, 6U represents, okay, this 6 over here, right? This you add 984, this block here, plus 984 must be the cost of the 2 items, right? Which is 1 camera and the other one is 3 wallets. So all you have to do, now we do the zero stuff. If I take $984 away from the left hand side, I should take $984 away from the right hand side. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that 6U will be left over here and add 0. Okay, right? While if I minus 1, take 1254, takes away 984, I should have 270. 6U is 270. Look here, these 6 of these total up is $270. I need to find 1U. Why? How much did each wallet cost? That is the question. Okay, each wallet cost, you take 270 divided by 6. If 6U is 270, 1U is 270 divided by 6 is $45. Okay, $45 for 1 wallet. Of course, this is 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Now the question, at first it may ask you, this question may ask you for cost of 1 wallet. Remember, it is possible that the question may ask you for the cost of the camera. What is the cost of the camera? Yes, 3U plus $984. 3U plus $984. Okay, take a look at this. It may be quite long, but read carefully. Once you're able to draw the model, it should be simpler. Okay, Class A collected 3/4 kilogram. 3/4 kilogram is not even 1 kilogram. Alright, of newspaper for a recycling event. Class A, okay, collected more. Watch out. Class A collected 3/4. Yes, this is 3/4. Okay, this is Class A. Now compared to Class B, Class A collected 7/12 kilogram more. Look here, gets clearer. It collected this part more than B. Of course, you need to find A, you need to find how much B has, and eventually find out how much C has. Okay, let's read. The difference between the mass, the weight of newspaper collected by B and C was 1/6 kilogram. What was the mass of newspaper collected by C? Total here. Okay? Express your answer in the simplest form. Now slowly, what it meant was this. Class A got 7/12 more than Class B. So to find this part, question part 1, the A, question A, you need to take 3/4 kilogram minus 7/12 kilogram, and you will get something here. So what I did was minus, change 3/4, this 4 into 12. 4 became 12, 3 will become 9. Now 3/4 minus 7/12 is actually 9/12, okay, of a kilogram minus 7/12 of a kilogram gives you 2/12 or 1/6, either one. Okay, now note here, to find C is getting easier. C is this A which you have found. Okay, A is 1/6 of a kilogram. Okay, now so 1/6 of a kilogram is A, and this 1/6 happens to be here, A, and the difference between B and C, which C has 1/6 more, can you see 1/6 more? If you add these two up together, alright, it's actually 1/6 and happens to be 1/6. Answer is 2/6. Change it to simplest term, 1/3 of a kilogram. Right? Look at it carefully. A has 3/4 kilogram. B have 1/6 kilogram. C has 1/6 plus 1/6 of a kilogram, which is 2/6. Now 2/6 you convert, it becomes 1/3. Question 42. Mr. Kim paid $12.10 for 2 cakes and 3 buns. Alright, 2 cakes. Let's take a look. 1 cake, 2 cakes, 3 buns. 1, 2, 3 is $12.10. Now, each bun costs $2.30 less than the cake. Look at the orange part first. Now we compare 1 bun with 1 cake. Okay, I did not draw this U down first. I compare this. I write the difference. It means this is 230 over here. This 230 is this part. Change the ink. 230 is this part, and there's another 230 over here for the next cake. Alright, so one of them, compare the difference for 1 bun and 1 cake is $2.30. The total of 2 cakes, 1 cake, 2 cakes. Okay, add 3 buns, 1 bun, 2 buns, and 3 buns is $12.10. Understand this first. Now take a look. Each bun is 1 U, 1 unit, and each cake is 1 U plus 230 plus 230. Alright, generate the equation. Above here we have 5U. 5U. Add 230 times 2 should give us $12.10. See, $2.30 times 2 should give you $12.10. So $2.30 times 2 is $4.60. 5u plus 460. 5u plus 460 is 1210. Now let's do the left hand side and right hand side. In my left hand side, I minus 460 gives me 0. Okay, so this whole part became nothing. If I minus 460 from my left hand side, I must minus 460 from my right hand side. This over here has a value of 750. Therefore, it left me with 5u plus nothing gives me 750. Or 5u is actually 750. Find 1u, which is 150. Okay, it means this is 150, 150, 150. Now let me just clear off this part for easy reference. It means this: $1.50, $1.50, $1.50, and one kick is $1.50 plus 230. Look here, $1.50 plus 230. That's it. Take a look at the question. Find the cost of a kick. One kick here, look, is 1u plus 230. So I got 1u plus 230. A piece of cake is 330. One piece of cake. Of course, the question may ask you to find 2 pieces of cake, or 1 piece of cake plus 2 buns, okay, or 3 buns plus 4 cakes, and so on. So just an important thing, find 1u. You should be able to find everything up there. Let's go on. Now this is the graph. Line graph below shows the number of tarts, okay, sold by the baker at the end of each month. What is important now? Yes, is to label them between 3 and 2. This is 250, this is 350, 450, and 550. You must be accurate with this labeling. Let's make it slightly smaller a bit. Right. Now, what was sold? The difference between the highest and the lowest number. Highest is 550 here. Lowest is 200 here. So the difference is 350. Straightforward. Next, the baker sold each tart for $3. How much money did he collect in August? In August is 350, 350 tarts. Each one $3 times 3, you should get $1,050. Now, how many tarts did the baker sell from September to November? Here, only these 3 months. Total of these 3, you add up, is 1,200. That's the end. If you don't quite understand, either you ask me, or please repeat the video, or ask someone else to look at the video and try to understand and explain to you.